Hello everyone! Welcome to the Axis Flying tutorial channel. In this episode, we will show you VERTEX5 O4 WIDE complete kit assembly tutorial. Take out the motor base. Cut wires alternately forward and reverse. Strip the wire ends. Tin the wire ends. Take out the frame. At the 4 rubber foot pads, install 3x12 button head screws. Install 3x10 button head screws on the other 3 holes. Mount the remaining motors one by one. Take out the aluminum vertical tube. Install it according to arm length. Take out the capacitor, ESC slip heat shrink tubing of proper length over the capacitor. Trim leads flush with the negative terminal. Fit onto the damping standoff. Bend the leads as shown in the video. Place the capacitor in the empty space below. Solder to the ESC positive and negative terminals. Pay close attention to capacitor polarity when soldering. Reversed polarity will definitely cause unexpected damage. Plug in the ESC ribbon cable in advance. Preheat the ESC solder pads. Solder the motor wires one by one onto the ESC. Take out the rear antenna plastic injection part. Insert the GPS into the injection molded part. Insert the receiver into the injection molded part. Take out the modified O4 WIDE VTX. Fit the antenna coaxial cable into the rear injection molded part. Tighten with a ratchet wrench. Route and organize power wires and other cables. Place them inside the heatsink aluminum groove, then clip it onto the frame. Fasten with 2 M316 countersunk screws to secure the rear injection molded part. Use 4 M to 10 button head screws to fasten the O4 VTX heatsink housing. Pull out the yellow bus wire from the stock VTX ribbon cable to avoid UART port conflict. Then install the ribbon cable onto the VTX. Now move on to the soldering step. No trimming is needed for the stock power cable. Align the wire ends properly. Solder them onto the ESC. Observe polarity. Take out the flight controller. Organize all cables. Trim cables to proper lengths. Solder each wire according to pin order onto its corresponding pad. Solder the base flexible LED strip to the 12 volts pad. Plug the O4 VTX ribbon cable into the FC6 pin port. Screw on 4 M3 nylon nuts. Plug the stack ribbon cable into the flight controller. Take out the camera aluminum mount. Pass M2 screw through silicone gasket and fit a 1mm shim. Screw into the camera aluminum mount. Adjust camera position. Prevent lens exposure. Then pass 2 M310 countersunk screws through the lower lip carbon plate to secure the camera mount. Use tweezers to insert ribbon cable into side panel LED strip. Route it into the rear injection molded part groove. Press and clip onto aluminum standoffs. Place the GoPro mount into the camera aluminum part. Lock the front aluminum standoff with M36 button head screw. Slide in the top plate. Secure the front side panel with M24 button head screws. Then use M310 button head screws to fasten the front side panel and LED side panel onto the rear standoffs of the GoPro mount. Tighten all top plate screws. Screw on the VTX antenna. Clip on the quick-release battery plate. The VERTEX5 O4 WIDE kit assembly is now complete. That's all for this tutorial. Follow this channel. Learn more about FPV knowledge and video tutorials.